Good morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Thursday. Got most markets, equities, energy, commodities lower with the U.S. dollar higher. The top headline yesterday was the Fed minutes talked about the possibility of tapering in 2021, reducing asset buying. No timetable is set, and we'll see if later in this year if the economic data supports that type of new economic policy. But it did push the dollar to 10-month highs and crude oil at 3-month lows. And so I think that the markets are going to still kind of walk gingerly concerning the Fed policy. I think we're also going to be noticing that COVID is spreading here in the U.S. The new variant is also spreading in Asia, raising concern about food and fuel demand. As far as prices overnight, beans down 18, corn down 6, wheat down 9, taking some of this demand premium out of the marketplace. We also saw that the Pro Farmer Tour in Illinois found a yield of corn at 196 versus USDA's 214. Last year they had a yield of 189 versus USDA's 192. Soybean pod counts were above last year, and USDA's got a 64 bushel bean yield in Illinois versus 59 last year. They only reported 3 districts in Iowa. The district yields range from 183 to 201 to 192. Last year, those districts' corn yield was 182, 172, and 184. USDA currently estimates Iowa corn yield at 193 versus 178. Pod counts all above last year in all 3 districts, and the USDA currently has the Iowa soybean yield at 58 versus 53. Weather-wise, it looks like we'll start seeing some showers in the northern plains, northwest, Midwest over the weekend or into early next week. Next week, let's say 60, maybe 65% of the Midwest could see some shower activity with more normal temperatures. The following week looks to be warmer and drier, so we'll see how that all plays out as far as the final yields are concerned, especially in soybeans. We also note that it has been wet in the western part of Europe, and the French futures were higher yesterday on concern as the harvest begins of lower quality. Baltics are still dry, Russia is dry, and there is talk out of Russia. Number one, their sunseed crop might be under stress, that the wheat crop is lower than what the USDA said in August. That could slow their exports, and also there is talk that they may no longer give harvest data because of the lower wheat crop. We also note that it's dry in Brazil, which could slow the corn plantings, and it's dry in Argentina, which could stress the wheat crop there. As far as the other news, I think that we'll be watching pretty closely just the money flow. Funds right now still long about 98,000 bean contracts, 268 corn, and 29,000 wheat. And can they carry that through the harvest and in these weaker technical actions? As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.